All right. So first thing when a person comes to your platform or your profile, they're going to see your cover. So this right here is my cover. And as you can see on the cover, it says entrepreneur, video marketer, servant leader. And then it has my name. It has a nice little background of me. And then it got my picture. So it's something that whenever they do decide to click over to my platform, they're going to see something that's intriguing to them. And then at that point, they can go down to the next thing, which is typically they profile picture. So you can see right here, when I click on this, boom, this is what my profile picture look like. I'm smiling, right? And that's very, very important. It's not all about having on a suit, being all extra professional. It's not about that. It's about being you. As long as you being you, you good to go, okay? So just make sure you at least smile though, so that way you could be, you know, a little welcoming and people like, okay, I feel like I could do business with this person. It's not somebody who just sitting there mean mugging me, right? You don't want to do that, all right? So that's the profile picture. Now the next thing, and this is, to me, this is actually the most important, because what this does is it creates like almost like an automated funnel, right? And there's two different ways to do this. You could do it like I do it, where in this intro spot, it says, I help entrepreneurs turn their video views into paying customers using YouTube. So what that does is that tells people what I do, which platform I do it for. So if that's what they want, then they're going to know right off the bat how I can help them. So that's important for you to create a statement similar to that and just put, I help whoever it is that you help. And what that's called is that's your value proposition statement. All right. Down here, there's another section, which you could probably use this section right here for like testimonials or people that will work with you, because I'll just show you how it works. So when I click on this, you can see what it does. Welcome to my page. Don't miss out. Follow and set see first. So obviously Facebook has kind of changed a little bit, but you can still actually follow people. Now we're going to see if that actually works. So you can see right here, I have 3,300 followers. So 3,300 people that are following me right now. So obviously that particular thing is continuing to work.